Hello friends, welcome to how to delete your account and reset the Airtel XStream stick video. In this video, I will be showing you how we can delete the Airtel account as well as how to totally delete your Google account and master reset this stick. So as you know, in the last video I have already told you that this is an Android TV stick, so it has Android TV 8.0 in it. So let me show you, my friends. This is the home screen of the Airtel XStream stick. So using the remote, we will be going to the settings here. Here we will be going to your accounts Android settings, and there we can go to storage and reset, and we can click factory data reset. So before that, I had mentioned you how to delete your account. So this is the process to master reset the device. Before that, we need two steps. First, you need to go here below in the settings menu. There is accounts. In here you will select this and you will remove your account. Okay, it is done. No Google account here. Also, you can give away the device by just resetting your account here. This one, resetting the account here. This will it will delete the Airtel account, but the device will be as it is set up by you without your Google account. But if you want to totally clean up everything from the device, then you have to go here in the Android settings. Inside here you have to go storage and reset. Now factory data reset, erase everything. So this is the process how to reset your Airtel XStream stick. And do remember, my friends, you might be having a question here that I didn't delete the Airtel account there. No worries, my friend, because the stick has a unique serial number in it, and that serial number gets paired with your Airtel account. So if in the future you again want to use the Airtel XStream stick or Airtel XStream box, then it will be counted as a one device, not a secondary device or third device. Okay, so that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe my channel. Bye bye.